Hollenbeck Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call for an assault with a deadly weapon shooting in progress in the 300 block of North Meyer Street.
Operator 550.
Hi, I'm right here at like a view spot in LA next to the train tracks. I don't know exactly the address, but there's a guy with an assault rifle shooting at people that drive by.
¿Vieron algo como una pistola? Hay dos personas, pero no sé. No, sorry. 459, let me go back up for a man armed with a rifle. Get a shot, get it.
Meyer Street, shots fired. A man with a rifle in here, you come in on Honda frequency.
¿Vieron a alguien con una pistola? No, sorry. 459, let me get a backup for a man armed with a rifle. We're gonna. Oh, shots fired, officer needs help. Hey, back up, Jordy.
A portion of this incident was also captured on security footage from a nearby security camera.
Okay, what you guys got?
So we were walking this way, and then we were approached by three females. So they're like, hey, we were just peeing. I was like, hey, did you guys see anybody with a rifle? No. And as soon as we hit the cut, we see a male figure, and we see him holding something. I think my partner saw it, and then as soon as we say like, hey, let me see your hands, boom, he shoots at us.
Okay, hey, start getting contact teams, okay?
Notifications were then made to Metropolitan Division's Special Weapons and Tactics, also known as SWAT, who responded to the location to assist in locating the suspect. Upon arrival, SWAT personnel conducted an extensive search of the area for the suspect, however, they were unable to locate him. That suspect has not been identified. One officer sustained minor abrasions to his hand and knee when he fell to the ground. No other officers or community members were injured as a result of this incident. Investigators recovered rifle ammunition and several spent rifle casings at scene and booked them as evidence.